Types of transitional words. Addition. Transitional words for addition indicate that the next idea continues the same connotation as the previous idea. These are example transitional words for addition. In addition, additionally, again, also, and, besides, by the same token, equally important, furthermore, for example, for instance, in the same way, in like manner, in similar fashion, in other words, likewise, moreover, similarly, specifically, that is, i.e., to put it another way. These are example sentences with addition. He was cold and tired. Furthermore, he was hungry. This house is on the best street in the neighborhood. Moreover, it has easy access to the freeway. If you give up exercise, your muscles shrink and fat increases. By the same token, if you exercise, you will lose fat. By the same token means following the same line of reasoning. Contrast. Transitional words for contrast indicate that the next idea has the opposite connotation from the previous idea. These are example transitional words for contrast. But, however, in contrast, instead, nevertheless, nonetheless, on the other hand, on the contrary, otherwise, still, whereas, yet. These are sentence examples with contrast. He was very tired. Nevertheless, he kept on walking. He was very tired, whereas she was energetic. What you said was true. Still, it was unkind. We had planned to go out for dinner. Instead, we cooked a meal at home. Take an umbrella with you, otherwise you'll get wet. Concession. Concession is a literary device used in argumentative writing, where one acknowledges a point made by one's opponent. It allows for different opinions and approaches toward an issue, indicating an understanding of what causes the actual debate or controversy. These are transitional words for concession. Although, certainly, even though, granted, it is true, of course, to be sure, while, though. It may appear that. These are sentence examples with concession transitional words. Oatmeal is extremely healthy. Granted, it tastes bland. Oatmeal is very healthy. It is true, however, that people often consume it with excessive sugar. Oatmeal tastes good even without any sugar. To be sure, some people might need some time to grow accustomed to the taste. Emphasis. The following transitional words are used to emphasize an idea. Above all, certainly, clearly, even, indeed, in fact, of course. These are sentence examples with emphasis transitional words. The dog caught the gopher. Clearly, the dog is a great hunter. Dogs are friendly and fun to play with. Above all, they are loyal. Michael Jordan is a great soccer player. Indeed, he could just be the greatest player of all time. People in Pittsburgh love their football team. Even grandmas know all the names of the players. Inference. The following transitional words are related to inference: accordingly, consequently, therefore, thus, hence, as a result. The dog is a good hunter. Consequently, there are no gophers in the yard. I saw construction signs on the road. Accordingly, I slowed down. The forest fires have burnt for days. As a result, the air is bad. Conclusion. These transitional words are used to conclude or summarize previous points. In conclusion, on the whole, in the end, therefore. These are sentence examples with conclusion transitional words. Oatmeal has fiber, high protein, and low sugar. On the whole, oatmeal is extremely healthy. We worked hard. In the end, we achieved our goal. Since transitional words work like road signs, telling the reader what to expect for incoming ideas, we can use them as clues to solve TOEFL sentence insertion questions. If the clue words in the target sentence are transitional words, you should first find the key content words in the target sentence. Then look for the sentence that contains the key content words or their synonyms. Then evaluate the relationship between the two ideas using the transitional words. When placed correctly, the transitional words make the relationship logical.